I told myself I wasn't going to buy any more of the pens, but then I saw some new releases and this happened. So today I'm going to unbox what I got and hopefully you can join me in this journey. And I just want to welcome you to my page for today's unboxing. Bestie, I am so excited. I'm so excited. When I saw the new release, I was like, I'm gonna get them. I really liked them and I couldn't resist because it also came in my favorite color. So I was like, I definitely want these pens. And then too, yeah, I was supposed to get one of them back. Well, not in this order today, but back in May, I wanted a pen. And my nephew was supposed to get it for me, but then he had car issues because it wasn't in my area, but was in Maryland. And so I wasn't able to get it. And I was bummed out about that. I was so disappointed. So when I saw this, I was like, let me go ahead and get this. And now that I've taken out the box, if you're familiar with this brand, if you're a pen collector, you probably already can see what I already got, even with this bubble wrapper all over the pens. So I ordered my pens from Pen Boutique because I had so many points. I have thousands of reward points. And so I was like, you know what? I went through all of the pen companies that I've purchased pens from for the past, 10 to 15 years to see which one I had the most points that I could use towards my order. And Pen Boutique had the most points. And I'm just so glad that, cause like some shops, they will, I don't know if there's a time limit on when you can use your points, but for them, they just let you accumulate them and you don't lose them. Cause some shops you would lose them if you don't use them within a year. But a couple of other pen shops, they let them roll over from year to year. So that's why I chose Pen Boutique to get my Kaweco pens. So, and I got 4 pens. And because I did have some reward points, I did get a free pen. So I needed this refill for my Kaweco deal too. It's the red ink. And then I end up getting this. So I will add the refill to my pen later. But then I also did get this gold clip for one of my Kawecos that I just ordered as well. Alright, so this Kaweco here is the Marble Ocean, and this is the Kaweco Collection, because there's a difference. You have the Kaweco Collection, then you have the Kaweco Sports. Let me know if you have any Kaweco pens. So yeah, let me go ahead and close this box up. But yeah, let me know if you have any Kaweco pens, and if so, which ones do you have? So this is the Marble Ocean. Okay, and it does have the gold nib. And typically when I get a fountain pen, I typically get either extra fine or fine tip. Let me know if you do get fountain pens. What tip do you prefer? What's your preference? Let me know in the comments. Alright, so, and I'm going to pen test them after I open them all up. But yes, that's typically with the nib that I get. Now, I do have a couple mediums. Like if there was a limited edition Kaweco pen, and if I missed out on the extra fine or the fine, I would get like a medium. But then I do have a broad tip as well on a Kaweco. Okay, so this right here is the Shadow Blue, and I got rollerballs. And I got rollerballs like this year. Majority of the Kawecos that I've purchased the rollerball pens this year, and like the Marble Ocean, I didn't know if it came in the other styles, because if it was in the rollerball, I probably would have got it in the rollerball. But Pen Boutique only had it in the fountain pen. So that's what I got for that. Alright, so my next pen, blue is my favorite color, so I couldn't resist. And plus, I hadn't purchased a ballpoint pen in a while, so that's why I got the shadow blue and the ballpoint as well. Because I said, you know what? I had all these points that I had to use that I wanted to use when I made this purchase. And I was like, why not? And plus, blue my favorite color too. Alright, let me get this one out. And this is the Kaweco Sport Lunar. This is the Lunar blue, the Lunar light blue here. And I have the Lunar light green that came out a few months ago. So those are the 4 pens that I got. And I'm very pleased with my purchase. So let me get my notebook and I can go ahead and do a pen testing to test the pens out. And so you can see them. So the rollerballs are black ink, just in case if you're not familiar with the Kaweco pens. The ballpoint is blue. And for the fountain pens, it typically comes with a blue cartridge. And you definitely can purchase the refills in different colors. And so I really love the rollerballs. I really love it. And Kaweco is my favorite pen. I'm trying to make sure I write down the right name for this. So like I said, this is the Lunar Light Blue. And it is available in Rollerball, but it's also available in fountain pen and also the ballpoint pen. You have the pencil and the sketch pen pencil as well for the Lunar pens. But let me write down here Rollerball, and it just glides. That's why I absolutely love the Rollerballs. Alright, and here is the ballpoint. Like I said earlier, the ballpoint's right in blue ink. And I love the little ballpoints. They're just so compact and small. You know, it's small like the Uniball 1 pen. And here is this one right here. And of course, it writes like the Lunar Light Blue. And this is the Shadow Blue. And it's amazing the color, like in the light. And it'll switch up with the Shadow Blue. Absolutely gorgeous. And I will leave a link in my description for Pen Boutique where I actually purchased these pens from. But I will also list some of the other pen shops where I typically purchase my Kaweco pens from. So you can decide where you want to purchase it from if you want to try one of these pens. Alright, so let me add the cartridge in here so I can go ahead and test it out. So the Kaweco fountain pens does come with the cartridge. You do have to push it in and it will click. And like I said earlier, it comes with a blue cartridge, but you definitely can purchase different color refills for your Kaweco. Let me make sure the ink is flowing through. Yep. And it's gonna look perfect when I think I might do a blue spread. I'm sorry, I wrote Lunar, but this is actually the Marble Ocean. And I was about to write Lunar again. This pen is so pretty. So pretty. And if you want me to test out or show any of my other Kaweco pens, feel free to let me know in the comments because I do have several more pens. And I need to add the clips because all of the hardware on the Lunar and the shadow blue is silver, so I need to add 3 silver clips to my pen to complete it. So the pen clips do not come with the pen. Just in case if you are new to Kaweco, you purchase the pen clips separately. And typically the pen clips for the Kaweco sports size pen, they come in gold, silver, and black. I'm trying to think, is there a rose gold type for the antique paper clip? I can't remember, but typically I purchase the gold, silver, or the black. And it always depends on the hardware, which pen clip that I decide to add to my pen. But since the hardware on these are silver, that's why I'm adding the silver. And because the nib on the Marble Ocean is gold, that's why I got the old antique clip for that one. But thank you so much for joining me in today's unboxing of my new Kaweco pens. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, tap the thumbs up, and don't forget to engage with me in the comments, bestie. And have an awesome day. Toodles!